you have clicked to this video is probably one of the reason that you have realized the fact that you are not working towards the hobbies, towards the skills you promised to yourself in the beginning of this year or maybe in the December 2025. And the fact that you have realized this and finally made up the mind to actually get out of that loop is something that tells more about how 30% of the work has already been done by your this realization. Today in this video I'll be talking about the 70% of the remaining stuff that will help you actually understand that whatever you are consuming right now, whatever you are surrounded with right now, is complete brain rot, and you will agree to it eventually. But for that, make sure you stick to the end of this video, and I will make sure that we actually understand this is what happening right now and how you can have an unfair advantage to this. Hi, my name is Khwahish. I am 22-year-old language student and I'm also a working person, and I make videos here. This is something I really enjoy doing. So you guys already know what are we going to talk about in this video. This is going to be something that I was thinking for quite a long time. Eventually I was out of the whole narrative that I want to talk about, but I somehow have thought ki I don't want to make it look like, just me and you talking, basically just me talking and you listening. I want to make it the realization that you right now are having an unfair advantage, and I just want to prove it to you in this video. The whole point of me telling you that you are having an unfair advantage right now is because of brain rot. I genuinely think this generation has the most brain rot memes, brain rot context, and I am not against of it totally. I am not denying the fact that it is something we should not be consuming, or it is something that we should not be creating. What I actually think, if you see Instagram right now, 80 to 85% of the reels of the media you will consume is brain rot. Either it's comedy or it's any genre, I would say, but it's brain rot. And actually people are making careers out of it. Now I'm not talking about how you can do the same, but what I mean to say is this is the right opportunity for you to actually start working on the things you always thought of working on. Also, I don't want to make it sound like a lecture video or kind of a motivation or something jo aapne abhi li and then it vanished or something. But what I want to say is this is your chance, because I came across one of Raj Shamani's post which says that you have a great opportunity to work on your goals right now, because most of the youth is distracted in brain rot, either consuming or creating. It actually made me think that if 80 to 85% people are doing that, then the remaining ones are maybe working on the stuff they always thought of working on. Be it skills, be it hobbies, be it any project, be it working on any startup. It could be literally anything, or just preparing for an exam, whatever your goal is. And honestly, if you sit and think about it, it is almost true, because same, even if I try to keep my feet to the level where I just want, maybe I just want the kind of content that I want to consume, but there are videos, there are stuff that somehow will turn my feed into brain rot content and everything if I end up clicking on one. And the fact that the reach of such videos is so high, and I'm not saying that it's something that should not happen or whatever. I am totally not against of it. What I mean is, either you're someone who is consuming brain rot or you are someone who is creating one. So if you are someone who is consuming one, if you start scrolling, there is high possibility that you won't be able to track the time. But if you are one who is creating one, then you know that if not one or two videos, but maybe there are chances that you will end up having great engagement and stuff. And that is the reason that the engagement coming from is from the people, is from us who is consuming one. The fact that it is not something we are searching, it is always there, and you literally have a golden chance. So many people are busy consuming brain rot stuff, so many people are busy creating one. This is your sign to put that amount of time to your hobbies, to your skills, to the things you think has much more worth than consuming brain rot. And I know this is not something that we intentionally do. It is not something that we want to do. It is something that we consume for our entertainment purpose or for something, as break, जो कि ब्रेक होता नहीं है eventually, we all know, but you can always make small changes out of it. I have recently discovered that thing that if I want to touch my phone again and again, even if I don't want to, just because I'm trying to study or just because I'm trying to focus on other stuff, I will end up going to Instagram, I will end up going to scrolling endlessly, not having a track of time. The irony is, I'm scrolling, I know my time is wasting, and I'm still doing the same. This is what brain rot does to you. And honestly, Miko, I never even thought to make a video of it or something, but it actually made me think that it is something not everyone's cup of tea, to be honest. Because sticking to a book to complete it, sticking to a movie or a web series to complete it, unless you are very addictive to it, unless you are very fond of that genre, or you are very much engaged in it, unless it's not like that, it is difficult. This is the time we are living right now, and the fact that it has its cons, जो कि cons ज़्यादा है, pros कम है, but you can turn it into your pros by doing, number one, by replacing brain rot from any media, whatever you are interested in. Number two, turning brain rot into your unfair advantage, which is something I already discussed, and which is something can help you get out of most of the people are in right now. I also want to tell you that whatever the stuff that I specially talk about like this in my videos, like a sit down videos, it is almost the things that I am telling to myself, and this is how I want you to know, honestly. And the fact that it is not going to be easy, the fact that it is not going to be in your comfort zone, the fact that it is going to be disturbing, it is going to be uncomfortable, consuming less brain rot can also do this to you. And I just wanted it to be the reminder, and I just wanted to actually talk about it. I want to know your thoughts as well, so you can definitely comment down below on what you think about it. So yeah, this is something I wanted to talk about. I genuinely think it is something that we are always been doing, but we just don't admit it to ourselves. And through this video, I definitely don't want to hurt anyone's sentiments who are creating brain rot content or who are doing anything. Whatever content you are creating, I know everything takes patience, time, energy, and I respect everyone's POV. Okay, so yeah, these were the things that I wanted to talk about. And also, I'm having cold right now, if it's something visible, but I'll be back with yet another video again. Let me know if you have any kind of suggestions. Please drop them down in the comments below, and I'll meet you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.